what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Drunk Guy Physically Harasses Waitress Ends Badly. Let's get into the video.
Bodycam footage shows the aftermath of an intoxicated man who physically harassed female staff.
Hey, is it Nadia?
Yes, Nadia.
Hey, I'm Officer Brown. What happened in there with the blue shirt individual?
So he was calling us to come over his table, and I did at first time. And then the second time I did not. I said with other customers, and he approached me. He grabbed me here, and then I put his hand up, and then he grabbed my hands. Okay. And then I just told him to back up. And then we continued doing our job, and then he went in the bar and just said that, look at me, I'm calling you. You need to look at me when I call you. And I said, oh, sorry, but we have to work. And then he just started making comments about my friend's breast, and he called me an asshole.
He called me worse just then, so don't feel bad.
So that's what happened, and then I just went back.
So did he grab you anywhere other than your waist and your arm?
No, just here in my...
Was there someone, because we had a report to dispatch that a female had a breast grab. Was there anyone that did? Or was it just maybe a
Yeah, it was a No, he didn't.
Okay.
Not me. I don't think he did.
No, Elizabeth said he made comments about it, but he didn't touch you.
No, he didn't touch my wrist.
Do you want to press charges for the...
Technically for touching, it does count as battery.
So
it's up to you if you want to pursue charges or not.
No.
Okay.
Would you mind? I just have a little form I need you to fill out. Would you mind filling that out?
Okay.
And do you have your driver's license or ID handy?
I don't have it here. It's but I can get it.
Real quick.
Yeah, it's just a form that basically says you don't want to pursue charges.
Can you grab that form for me?
Yeah, I'll go.
Thank you.
I'll go get it quick.
All right, Miss
Nadia.
Nadia. Is that your first name?
He was trying to give her a tip.
Nadia.
Okay.
Sorry.
Hello. How are you, Miss? All right. Well, if you want to get back to work, he's going to be, or if you want to just hang out here for just a second,
Yeah.
Officer Zweef will be right back with that form he needs you to fill out.
Okay. That's
Like I said, so just fill that out for us real quick. We're going to handle this gentleman.
Yeah.
okay.
Sorry, you had to go through all this.
Too fast. We never really have
So if she's not going to press charges, they're probably just going to give him a talking to and send him on his way, and maybe a trespass. I don't know if they're gonna trespass. They should, you know what I'm saying? I would push for that. If I was the officer, I would ask her, hey, did you want this guy, trespass from the property X, Y, and Z?
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? What do you want?
Nothing, I just don't want your hands in your pockets, if you don't mind.
Hey, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Buddy, I appreciate it. Hey, thank you. Hey, do not. Hey.
Sir. All right, you realize in the state of Florida, when I ask for an ID in reference to a lawful investigation, it's a crime.
Because I'm a New York State federal employee. What do you want to do with that?
I would like your ID for the report. Most likely you're about to be trespassed from the Blue Tequila.
Trespassing from here? I was in a restaurant. What?
Yes, and they don't want you at the restaurant anymore. Now I need to
I
see your
figured that.
driver's license because
Please, don't make this more than what's belonged to. I will talk to you as a human being.
sir,
But if you want to blow it up more than that,
I
then
don't want to blow it up more than that. What I want is for you to just hand your ID so I can identify you, so I can complete the trespass warning, and then I can cut you loose. You have your
pass warrant.
warning.
From going to a restaurant, walking in the door they let me into and have some burritos? Come on now, you fucking kidding me?
No, sir. What it is a civil...
How old are you? How old are you?
Would you like to go and handcuff?
36. Cuff me up if you want to, buddy. I was been working for the law enforcement agency for fucking 20-something years, so if you want to do anything you want to me,
I want to do anything else. Yes.
Here you go, buddy. Here. My God, no, stop. Before you take this thing from me, how old are you? 25?
I have your ID.
25. Yeah, take it. Give your
There
cigarettes
we go.
back there.
There we go.
Assholes. My God.
Let's go ahead.
How old are you guys?
How old am I? How old are you?
57.
Yeah.
I wouldn't know. I'm only old for fucking 36 years old. You guys are treating me like assholes here. My God, what the fuck is that shit?
I think you probably had a lot to do with that.
No.
Yeah.
No. No.
Yeah.
Guys, fine. Arrest me.
Dealing with
Just
drunk
arrest
people
me.
is like,
Arrest me right now.
come on.
You guys in jail will be fucking 15 minutes. Come on. Do it.
I will if I want to. Relax.
Do it.
Relax.
Do it. No. Please understand. No. My God.
Oh, game time, baby. Don't touch me. Hey, you gonna learn today. You gonna act right, boy.
Really? Stop. You guys are assholes.
Yes, you are.
You gonna act right today.
I'm shitting my pants to let go.
You shit your pants.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, you should be an adult, not do that.
You guys are kidding me. You guys are assholes.
Yes, you are.
Oh my God, you guys are assholes. Hey! There you go. Calm down. Now, what is this?
Oh, here we go with the bystanders.
You have this. You're all right.
See this? I didn't do anything. They pushed me down on the ground. They pushed me down.
No.
Record this, please.
No.
Come on, guys. Get me up.
Listen, I talked to you a little bit ago, and I told you what was going to happen.
Lift me up, though.
Just be nice.
I'm trying to see you. Guys.
Let's just start while he's on the ground so that way I don't have
Guys.
to do that.
Don't do that to me. I have
What did I say?
You guys are assholes. If I did this at my job, I'd be fired. Yeah.
We acted the way you do at our job.
Really?
You would be fired.
I stood there. Just total asshole. Total asshole.
Grab a bag for that, please.
Total asshole.
Thank you. Here.
Total asshole.
They had these keys in the restaurant, by the way. Did they tell you?
I got them. Okay.
My God. Stop. Don't hurt my wrist, please. Stop.
You gonna take a trip down to the county, my boy.
Stop. Where you go? Stop. What are you doing here?
Yeah.
Sir, is it okay if I touch him for a second?
Yes. Well, let me get him in the car first, and then I'll crack the window. Sir, it's too late. You already shit your pants.
Yeah, I did.
It's too late.
Sure shit. Sorry.
Why is she so close? Back her up. Like, come on.
Okay, hey.
Slide back.
Let me go. Let me go.
Slide back into the car.
Let me go.
Scoot back.
Let me go.
We're not.
Let me go.
No. Slide back into this vehicle, sir.
Really?
Yes. There you go, Sarge.
Yes, you're done. I just told you what's my name.
He was charged with resisting an officer and battery on an officer.